Okay, so my name's Ashley. This is my first day. They taught me how to use a chainsaw in the first 10 minutes, and then they were like, yeah, you can use an excavator, and I'm building my first hugelkultur, so it's a day of firsts. Four different types of mulch. We got some sawdust, we got some bark, mullein, and spotted knapweed, a lot of that. There's a beautiful crown of tumbling mustard, and this is my experimental vertical mulch with mullein. At least 3 different types of clover and vetch. We've got daikon, we've got kale, we've got black locust and cherry seeds, just as a, you know, out there contribution. And I'm sure there's at least 6 others that I can't think of off the top of my head right now. As you can see, some sides are taller than others. That would be the expert excavator work that I did today.
If you like this sort of thing, come on out to the forums at permies.com, where we talk about hugelkultur, homesteading, and permaculture all the time.